Hello everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a very quick video to give you an update on the forum and the bioinformatics space in Matrix that I have announced in my last channel update video. So here is the forum. You can see I have already started a couple of threads with Rosalind challenge solutions, some introduction information, things like that. So I really hope you'll be able to join this forum and just start interesting conversations where we can work together on solving programming challenges, Rosalind challenges, work on any bioinformatics related research. So the forum is divided into a lot of different sections here. So you have a general one, you have a programming, specific languages, algorithms, Linux specifically. We can of course expand this if someone joins and they use, for example, C++ or any other language, JavaScript, we can always add a section for that discussion. So there is a biology section, there is a research, and there is a course section. So if you are doing any online course, for example, and it's not listed, we can always add that here and we can discuss challenges that you have in that course. So not only you learn from it, the whole community can learn from solutions as well, okay? So let me just open an example here. So you can see one of the Rosalind challenges is in the courses and then Rosalind challenges, and it's tagged appropriately, which is really easy to find. You can actually go to tags here and go to courses and you can see what courses we have. Let's go to Rosalind and open, let's say, a random counting. No, let's go for point mutations. And you can see that the code formatting works here and it's really easy to view the code. For example, this is a Python solution 1, Python solution 2, Python solution 3. And the structure here is we talk about solutions. We have test input, so you can test the solution and the test output. And if there is a video online available, we can always attach any additional information. And we can start discussions here. Let's say you are programming in some other language, which is not Python. We can always add a solution number 4. Let's say you program in Java. We can say Java solution number 1, and we can add the code. So anyone can come in, look up the language that they use, and look at the solution for that specific language. Okay, so that's the forum. As I mentioned before, is going to stay invite only for now. We just want to build a community of trusted users, and then we can start inviting more people from our main community. The second thing I was going to show you is the bioinformatics space in Matrix. So here it is. So this is rebelScience bioinformatics space, and it has 4 chats in here. Those are the chats that you probably are a part of, which let's say we're going to go to bioinformatics chat, and you will recognize that this is our main bioinformatics chat. The reason to use Matrix is it is way more developer and researcher friendly. Let me show you an example. Let's say we're going to go to bioinformatics code and let's copy one of the algorithms from here. Let's copy this more complex algorithm. Okay, we're just going to copy the code. And you can actually paste the code here and have very nice discussions around very nicely formatted code. So how you do that? You do 3 commas like that and you paste in your code. And you can see that the code is very nicely formatted and easy to read. Anyone can come in, do replies, anyone can do thumbs up and things like that. So we're going to be switching our more kind of productive work onto Matrix. But Telegram chats are still connected to Matrix, so you can communicate between them easily. You don't have to install any software. As you can see, I'm running this through the browser. So the link is going to be in the description. You can open that and just create a quick account and join the space. Okay, if you want to have that, for example, on your mobile device or a standalone client, you can come to matrix.org, discover, and clients. Okay, so it has a variety of clients for any device. You can look it up, whichever one you want. You can always download and have it on your mobile device, for example. I would always recommend using Element for your desktop, an Element for Android or iOS. Element is the most developed client for Matrix. All right, so this is it for this quick update around our forum and our new bioinformatics space in Matrix. The links to join are going to be in the video description and in our Telegram news channel as well. Okay, so please use those links to register, and I'm going to be adding more and more people as the time goes on. I really hope we can work on cool projects together and build a very strong community. Of course, there are other forums, as you know, something like BioStar Forum, but that forum is so huge, it's really hard to focus on something very specific. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to build a very small community, but maybe it's going to grow big with the time. But our community is going to be very focused on very specific things like building algorithms, working on some specific courses together, solving Rosalind challenges together, and just discussing anything bioinformatics related. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope to see you in the forums soon. Rebel Coder signing out.